times beating like thunder on the wall. Empty nights and questions when shadows fall. But hope is a whisper singing in the storm, a seed in the darkness ready to be reborn. Neighborhoods sleeping, but dreams won't fade. We plant our intentions in every choice made. Light after rain, brighter than before. We rise on the rhythm, open every door. Light after rain, shining from within. New day dawning, let love begin. Hands in the garden, working through the tears. Every new season brings another year. The struggle's not forgotten, written in the street. But kindness is the fire beneath our feet. Family and strangers, together we heal. Peace growing stronger, breaking every seal. Light after rain, brighter than before. We rise on the rhythm, open every door. Light after rain, shining from within. New day dawning, let love begin. Wait in the distance, rain washes clean. Dubwise healing turns sorrow serene. Children laughing, chasing through the green. Old wounds closing, fresh air so clean. Sing a song for the lost, for the ones who remain. Each note a promise, every chorus refrains. From struggle emerges a force we sustain. Spirit unbroken like light after rain. Light after rain, brighter than before. We rise on the rhythm, open every door. Light after rain, shining from within. New day dawning, let love begin. Light after rain, don't be afraid. Step out the shadow,